Are you unable to lose weight even after trying hard? Do you put on weight even after eating less? Well, you might be facing the issues because of a slow metabolism. Maintaining a healthy metabolism is crucial for weight management and overall well-being. Thankfully, nature has provided us with an array of delicious foods that not only satisfy our taste buds, but also boost our metabolism. So in this video, we will tell you about those 10 foods that can boost your metabolism and keep you healthy too. Green tea. Sipping on green tea not only provides a soothing break, but also contains antioxidants and catechins that promote fat oxidation and increase metabolism. Spicy peppers. Capsaicin, the compound responsible for the spicy kick in peppers like chili and jalapenos, can raise your metabolic rate and help burn more calories. Lean protein. Foods like chicken breast, tofu, and legumes are rich in protein, which requires more energy to digest compared to fats or carbohydrates, thus giving your metabolism a significant boost. Whole grains. Opt for whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa, which are high in fiber and complex carbohydrates, keeping you feeling full longer and maintaining steady energy levels. Berries. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries can help increase metabolism and aid in weight management. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which contribute to a faster metabolism. Before moving on to the next food item on the list, do press the like and subscribe button, and do not forget to share this video. The next on the list is Greek yogurt. Rich in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt not only supports gut health, but also helps regulate metabolism and promote satiety. Coffee. That morning cup of joe not only boosts your alertness, but also contains caffeine, which can temporarily increase metabolism and enhance fat burning. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which not only support heart health, but also stimulate metabolism and aid in weight loss. Last but not the least are leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are low in calories but high in fiber and essential nutrients, making them a great addition to any metabolism-boosting diet. Including these 10 foods into your meals can help revitalize your metabolism, support weight loss efforts, and contribute to overall health and vitality. Remember to pair them with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. Cheers to a healthier, more energetic you.